As we enter the year 2026, the occupancy rates within key industrial zones in the south have reached a significant 92%. Meanwhile, industrial land lease rates in northern regions have peaked at a record $160 per square meter. The criteria for selecting a production base have evolved beyond mere cost efficiency. Today, it is a competitive race for green industrial parks, renewable energy integration, and automated logistics. Given this profound transition, where should investors position their facilities, the north, the central region, or the south, to maximize long-term returns? First, we examine northern Vietnam, the technology and electronic component capital. The north continues to maintain a robust position due to its integrated connection with the southern China supply chain. Strategic investment highlights are currently concentrated in pivotal provinces, including Bac Ninh, Haiphong, Quang Ninh, Thai Nguyen. Facilitated by the completed expressway network and the La Chuan deep water port, component transport times have been significantly reduced. However, to leverage these logistical advantages and a highly skilled workforce, investors must accommodate rental rates ranging from $120 to $150 per square meter, with occupancy levels currently at 85%. This represents an ideal selection for a China Plus One strategy, specifically within the semiconductor and high technology sectors. Next, we look towards central Vietnam, the emerging star of renewable energy. For those seeking green certification for their projects, central Vietnam offers a strategic solution thanks to its abundant supply of solar and wind energy. Significant capital is currently flowing into pivotal provinces such as Da Nang, Quang Nam, with Chu Lai as the focal point, Nga An, and Ha Tinh. The primary appeal of this region lies in its cost efficiency. Land rental rates are the most competitive nationwide, ranging between $60 and $90 per square meter, supported by an extensive land bank and an occupancy rate of only 65%. While the industrial ecosystem is still maturing, the substantial corporate income tax incentives offered by coastal economic zones make this an ideal destination for optimizing production costs. Finally, we consider southern Vietnam, the logistics and traditional industrial powerhouse. The south remains the most dynamic region, boasting an exceptionally well-developed auxiliary supply chain ecosystem. Current investor interest is concentrated in key provinces, including Binh Duong, Dong Nai, Long An, and Ba Ria, Vung Tau. Infrastructure is receiving monumental catalysts from the first phase of Long Thanh International Airport and Ring Roads 3 and 4. The primary challenge involves relatively high rental costs, from $150 to $200 per square meter, and land scarcity, with occupancy reaching 92%. However, based on the total cost of ownership formula, the reduction in logistical expenses, facilitated by superior infrastructure and the Cai Mep Thi Vai port complex, fully offsets the higher land acquisition costs. In summary, the 2026 industrial map requires investors to conduct precise calculations focused on net zero objectives and cost optimization. Select the north for a China expansion strategy, choose central Vietnam for large land requirements and tax incentives, and prioritize the south to fully leverage global logistical capabilities. Which region aligns best with your corporate strategy? Please share your insights in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for the latest market intelligence.